Let's go, let's go. Yo, what's going on YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with real Satoshi Aoki for this week's Gala Games and Blockchain Gaming video. Folks, this is actually going to be the first video of a regular weekly video where I'm going to be talking about primarily Gala games as well as other hot news and games in the play to earn space. I'm just super passionate about gaming and have been for many years, and I'm also super passionate about crypto. If you're the same and you do find this content interesting and you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want to see me again, and turn the notification bells on. Also folks, if you do want to fast forward at any point in this video, there will be timestamps below for your viewing convenience. Now, I'm always going to be honest and upfront with you about these kinds of videos. Now, I will say I am an investor in the Gala token. I have a variety of Gala Games NFTs, and I am a Gala Games node holder and have been for over 1 year. So whilst you may think that I do have a little bit of bias towards support overall of Gala Games, which is true, there are certain elements that I do not like, and I will most definitely be covering the positives as well as the negatives in the entirety of this space the way I see it. Alrighty folks, so we've got a cool one today, but before we jump into the video, please would you just take a moment to hear from the sponsor of today's video that makes the channel possible, Margex Leverage Exchange. Folks, forget massive conglomerate exchanges like Binance. Margex is a cute little exchange. It is literally my go-to exchange when trading and especially leverage trading. Margex has a super duper user-friendly interface, guys, with multi-collateral wallets, better risk management, and the whole market data is right there, literally at your fingertips. And it's just so easy to get that education as well through the website via blogs to buy or sell. Margex is preparing to launch its new liquid staking 2.0, where you can actually use your collateral assets as leverage. There is also going to be a $100,000 giveaway to support this event. You can essentially win a prize and potentially get early access to the liquid staking 2.0. Folks, it's super easy to get involved in this giveaway. There will be an affiliate link at the top of the description of this video. Make sure you go ahead and get signed up with that link, and it's super easy and free to do it, guys. So how do you join? The mechanics are very simple. Get on the staking waiting, invite at least 2 friends, and you'll get access to the Margex daily lottery and the Margex staking jackpot. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Each day, folks, you'll have the chance to win 50 USDT, but don't worry if you don't win, just keep inviting new friends, guys. The more, the better to increase your chances of winning that USDT for trading. So again, folks, don't forget to get signed up for Margex for free with the affiliate link at the top of the description of this video. Alrighty, folks, so we'll take a look at some Gala games. We'll take a look at the price. We're going to have a look at some of the top blockchain games for the week, Superior news, some more Gala Games news, specifically around Mirandus, a new little article around Superior and a new cool little character there, some new items that are on sale in the actual Gala Games store on the actual site there as well, and some interesting GameFi news, as well as some more stuff around Legends Reborn, Axie Infinity, and Townstar. Alrighty, folks, so we'll always be starting off by checking out the price of the Gala token itself, the main token behind the Gala Games ecosystem. So if you're wondering what is the utility of Gala token at the moment for those of you out there, well guys, don't get them confused with an actual share of the company. It's not like that. It's just an actual cryptocurrency, and the current utility is actually being able to use it as a currency, no different to Bitcoin actually, and actually being able to use it to actually buy things in store through Gala Games. The current rank for Gala is 108, guys, and we are up 0.9% for the last 24 hours, currently in this bear market sitting at 0.05 cents. I do think it's really important, especially considering this is the first video talking specifically about Gala news and everything like that, all in this kind of format, where we've come from, guys, where we've come from. December 28, 2020, which is over 1 year ago, Gala is up 37,892.4%. And even for the year of 2022, guys, I thought we were in a bull market, but look, the stats don't lie. For the last year, Gala token is still sitting up 64.9%. For the last 30 days, we're down 3.9, 14 days down 23.7, which is actually quite astonishing. But guys, the whole market has been taking quite a bit of a hit. For the last 7 days, we are down 1.8, and as mentioned, for the last 24 hours, up 0.9. Something I do really like about Gala, guys, is its cap supply at 50 billion. Although one of the things that I would also say about the Gala token is that I think the current level of utility maybe isn't enough. I would definitely want to see some more real handy utility implemented into the Gala token going into the future to see hopefully the continued succession and price appreciation of the Gala token with the Gala Games ecosystem over time. I'd love to know your thoughts on the Gala token at the moment, folks. Are you buying, are you selling, are you holding, or are you just not interested at all? Alrighty folks, so if we just move on to Dapp Radar here and we can actually take a look at the top games by users, guys. So we still got Alien Worlds on the BNB chain. That is actually a game that I've made a couple of videos about in the past and one that I do play sort of every day. Again, not really playing that for fun, playing that more to earn money. It's just a click and earn type game. But guys, what I really like about this game is, guys, the users. Look at that, 229.76k. Okay, so it just goes to show a game as simple as Alien Worlds can do really well. Splinterlands is a kind of card game that, I'll be honest, I haven't actually had a go at yet, but I really like the Wax blockchain, which is where Splinterlands can be played on, and that's actually going to be the same for Alien Worlds as well. Also, another one is Farmers Worlds, guys. Obviously, Townstar is a game that I've played quite a bit, but again, Farmers World on the Wax blockchain, again, haven't really given that a go, but maybe in some future content. Axie Infinity dropping down a little bit, guys. As we can see, the users have dropped down 14.95%, but we've still got a pretty thorough sales volume here of $1.38 million. And that is for the last 24 hours, of course, all of this data. All right, folks, so I just want to quickly jump into this game. Now, Superior is one that I do have a bit of bias towards. I do own a couple of Superior NFTs. Now, folks, I think when it comes to play to earn and having fun on a game, guys, when I'm in the blockchain gaming space looking for new games that I want to play, I'm looking first at games that are fun. Let me be really clear. I want to have fun playing the games first, and if they've got some kind of earning potential with any kind of longevity, I'm in. I'm going to give it a go. And Superior is one of these games. I've, again, made a couple of videos about Superior in the past. Now, it is on the Gala Games ecosystem. Superior here, the Twitter, not very active, only has 301 followers. Guys, the full game has not launched yet on Superior. It might happen sometime in the first half of 2023. But folks, honestly, this is kind of like a play-to-earn game. You play with your friends, it's boss fights. It kind of gives me the Call of Duty zombie vibes, which is still just being played by many people now, sort of the newer versions of Black Ops, that is. Superior, guys, super fun, super engaging, super unique, beautiful art style. Honestly, I think this one's going to fly under the radar. I'm personally saying there's going to be a lot of growth with this game, in my opinion. And just a little tweet here, guys, just from recently, August 26th, there was actually a Mirandus developer Fireside chat with Jason Hughes and Michael McCarthy. So it is quite long. I haven't actually sat through the whole thing. It's literally 1 hour in length. But I guess if you're an investor in Mirandus like myself and a lot of other people out there, then this is probably something that you are going to want to sit through and listen to. Now, what I would say about Mirandus is, guys, I guess the development of the game seems like it's coming along quite slowly, and I was actually quite disappointed with the last playtest. I thought it was actually pretty low quality. It didn't feel good, the mechanics of it, and just the shooting the goblins. I know it's just a playtest for the combat, but I don't know, I can't help but feel disappointed with that, and I kind of made that sort of evident in my live stream when I spoke about it last time. But I'd love to know your thoughts on that. I'm definitely still bullish on the game around us overall, but I think what they're trying to accomplish is quite a lot, and it's going to be really hard to get there, but we'll be following that Mirandus journey pretty closely. And something really cool from August 23rd, guys, back onto some Superior news here. They've got a character spotlight, guys, a new character called Murmur. And this is the character here, guys. Looks like a seedy little girl or something, like an emo chick. So what does she do, guys? Murmur is a genius mechanic. She knows it too. Other hero hunters who fight alongside her soon learn that any overconfidence she has is well earned. She's not the egghead who is hiding from the fray. Despite a crippling spinal injury, she repurposed abandoned industrial tech to create her own mechanical legs that allow her to run and gun with the best of them. She's always finding ways to leverage her brilliance to enhance her killing chops. Sweet! Alright folks, let's just take a bit of a look at Murmur in action. Alrighty guys, so I wasn't giving away too much in terms of the skills she had, but as you can see, just from that little bit of gameplay, let me know about what you think about that kind of comic book art style. And as we can see, if we head on over to the Gala Games actual website here, this is my account here, guys, and we're actually in the store section here. You got the Nomad and the Murmur up for sale, okay? So different rarities, you got Ancient, Rare, Prime. Now, the more expensive ones you get, basically, the more you can potentially earn when you're playing in-game. And a little article here, guys. GameFi investors are now prioritizing fun factor over money, according to a survey. A chain play survey participated by 2,428 GameFi investors revealed that 75% of the respondents joined the crypto space solely because of GameFi. So what does that say about blockchain gaming? We are still in our infancy. While roughly half of the investors joined the GameFi space initially for profits, 89% of GameFi investors succumbed to crypto winter this year, with 62% of them losing more than 50% of their profits. So I'm definitely in that boat as well. Investors worldwide spend an average of 2.5 hours per day participating in GameFi, which is down 43% to 4.4 hours from last year. The fear of rug pulls and Ponzi schemes coupled with subpar graphics are some of the biggest drivers preventing investments in new GameFi projects. Could not agree more with that statement. As a result, 44% of investors believe that the involvement of traditional gaming companies can be key to GameFi's growth. It's certainly going to be one of the keys, in my opinion, at least. Moreover, when it comes to future GameFi projects, 81% of GameFi investors are moving away from the traditional mindset and prioritizing the fun factor over profit making as they see positive in-game experiences. Now, this is actually a really interesting point because I'm definitely in that ballpark as well, okay? And the way I see it is, guys, for those of you that have been gamers, and I know there's a lot of you out there that just love gaming and have always played games from a very young age, we didn't expect to get anything in return. We played the games to have fun with ourselves, with our friends, family, whoever. We played it for the fun, okay? No return on investment. We pay a little bit of money for the game to play, and that's it. So if we can jump onto a blockchain game, play a game, get a little bit of earning potential for free, but most importantly, still enjoying playing that game, then how is not that an awesome situation? Now, I guess the issue comes where a game might request you to pay maybe a few $1,000s or a few $100s to actually get involved with NFTs and play, and then it becomes a bit like, okay, I need to try to make that money back on my investment. So that's an area that is still getting worked on, and it's not going to be fixed for a while, and there's still going to be a lot of bad actors and problems in that space specifically. But I'm looking into seeing whether there may be some opportunities to get traditional gamers over the line into sort of being able to actually play for free and still earn even just a small amount of money in these new games. Alrighty folks, so again, something from Gala Games, guys. The Legends Reborn playtest is now live. Get your deck crafting skills ready and we'll see you at the table. So Legends Reborn, guys, is a game that I have been meaning to play for some time now. It's on the Gala Games ecosystem. I'm not actually sure, but we can actually check now if it actually is available to play today. But it's something that, you know, again, I'm not really sure about it, but see, you can actually play its update game here. Okay, so there it is here, guys. And oh, by the way, if you do want to actually get signed up for Gala Games, there will be a referral link. I don't get any kickbacks for it, but you can actually get signed up and play these games today. So the games you can play are Legends Reborn, Townstar, and if you do purchase some NFTs in Spider Tanks, you can actually probably do that for around maybe, I would say less than $100 at the moment, and you can actually go ahead and play some Spider Tanks too. And some news for the Town Token, guys. Don't even talk to me about Town Token. We're still going to be covering a bit of the Townstar news, but honestly, I can't see much positive for Townstar, at least at the moment, but good to know that they're actually trying to do something. They've halted the rewards, which I spoke about in my last Townstar video, you know, and they're trying to fix the economy, and I think that's the right move for a shitty situation. You know, the project, the actual, I don't know, I guess the user base, the game's not doing that well, the token's doing really badly, you know, we're in a crypto winter, everyone's worried, everyone's selling, no one's buying, you know, so it couldn't be more negative in the space, but let's hold on. I'm still holding my town, and I've also got an actual town node as well. So this town token is actually available now on the P2P B2B exchange. And just closing the video off with some news, guys. Axie Infinity unveils Season 0 with high expectations. Will this pull AXS up, guys? I don't know what to think about this. Again, I was in Axie Infinity in the early days, made a lot of money off AXS, invested a lot in the actual Axie NFTs themselves, but then lost a whole lot of money, got a few scholarships, but SLP just went to absolute shite. So who knows what's going on. But essentially, guys, what's happening? The most recent roadmap of Axie Infinity states that the start of Origin Season 0 signals the entry into Phase 3. The recent market negative heat has been felt by Axie Infinity following the release of the most recent news. The GameFi-based protocol has been rather active in the Twitter conversation boxes. Sky Mavis created the play-to-earn game Axie Infinity. They recently revealed Season 0, which will last for 1 month. The launch will celebrate the improved gaming environment of Axie Infinity, so pretty vague. Alrighty folks, so if you enjoyed today's video, then make sure you like the video, subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, what the heck are you doing? Turn the notification bell so you do know when new content about blockchain gaming does come out. And guys, make sure you head on over to my official Twitter. It will be in the description of this video at Satoshi Aoki 7 right here. I talk about new things I'm doing, guys, in metaverse, blockchain gaming, of course, NFTs, and the Chronos ecosystem as well. So I'm super bullish on this space, guys, but again, very hard to navigate. It's tough times at the moment, but I'm going to keep pumping out the content where I see it, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So from wherever you're watching, have a brilliant one in the crypto space. Have a great day gaming if that's what you're doing or investing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.